everyone. Today we are here to discuss ISC Computer Science double dimensional array. So we have picked up one question. Here we see the number of rows which we have to accept in M and number of columns we have to accept in N. And we have to create a matrix from the user's choice. The values we have to insert, the number of rows 4, and then we have to display the matrix that the user entered, and then we have to do ascending order of each row. So you see the first row which was entered 11, minus 2 and 3 is now minus 2, 3 and 11. So first I will teach you how to accept values in double dimensional array. So we take out the program. I have already done a little bit like max short. I have taken the class name. So we start up from here. In this portion, please check it out. We are starting with scanner class, using the scanner class with the help of a static method. So first of all, I am asking the user to enter the row size. Suppose the user is filling up with 4 and then followed by the column size with 3 in M and N respectively, and according to that, after taking the size only, we are supposed to create the array. Don't create the array before accepting the row and column size. How is it possible? If you don't get the value of M and N, how can you create an array before it? So this is wrong. You have to cut it right from here and drop it down right here. And the number of rows I have given as 4 and the number of column is 3. Now M is my 4, so it will go 0, 1, 2, 3, and Y my N is 3, so this will be 0, 1 and 2. So what will happen first time? It will go 0, 0, 0, 1 and 0, 2. So I will show you how it is working. First time the value of X is stagnant and constant at 0. For the first value of X, the while loop will run completely. So it will be 0, 0, again 0, 1 and then 0, 2. So for this you can see this chart. First line we will have 0, 0 followed by 0, 1 and 0, 2. These are the index values. First is X, second is Y, X, Y, X, Y. Some people they do I and J. So I, J, I, J, I, J. So these are the places we have to give the entry from the user. So for that for the entry we are asking a system out.print enter the first time when it is 0, so it will tell 0 plus 1 first row, and we will take the value 3 times. The question will be asked 0, 0, 0, 1 and 0, 2 means the first line, this first line. So suppose the user gives some, if the user gives some number, that particular number will be placed in this position. So suppose the user gave 11 followed by, in the second place, minus 2 and then whatever, suppose 6, 5. So this way the values are entered. So let's get back to the program, the entry part. All of you please see int X and Y. See the video completely, then you will understand how we take accept number in an array. Very easy procedure. So X and Y you have used. First will go less than the number of rows and then less than the number of columns, and then simple entry a x of y sc.next int, and we will get the entry. Now what entry we have done first, this is done. Second time X will become 1, so it will become 1, 0, 1, 1 and 1, 2. So again you can see 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2. So again it will ask for the second row, then third row and then fourth row similarly. After this, if we want to display, they are asking us to display the original matrix. You can see after that we are displaying the original matrix what the user gave us. So for displaying also same, just to give one message that the original matrix as follows: 0 to M and 0 to N, and then just SOP system out.print. Don't give ln here, it is wrong. You have to just give system out.print so that the number comes in the same line. The numbers like 11, minus 2 and 5 will come in the same line. After this, finishing this next for loop, we have to give system.out.print ln, so that this ln will shift the cursor. You can see the red cursor will come down for the next row. So this is how we display. So first is SOP and second is system.out.print and second is system.out.print line, and nothing inside. So let's check this much. Compile, no syntax error. So let's void main, we do see the enter the row size. Suppose we give according to the question 4 and the column size as n. First row if I give 1 2 3, second row again they will ask question 3 4 5 6 7 7 8 9. So we have entered all the 4 rows, and it will display us the original matrix whatever we have given. See the original matrix as follows. First we have given 1 2 3, so 1 2 3 in the line, 3 4 5 3 4 5, second line 5 6 7 and 7 8 9. So this much hopefully all of you understood. Now we will move to the main logic where we are supposed to find the ascending order of each row. So far we all understood how to take the entry, and then secondly how to display the original matrix that the user entered. Now the question is, we have this part, the main logic, how to bring ascending order of row. So here we have 0 1 2 3 as because the m size we have given 4 suppose, and y we have 3, so it's 0 1 2. So here you have just to remember the bubble shot technique. Same way, third loop, this is just used for bubble shot, otherwise this two is as it is. Now in bubble shot what we have to do is that we have to take the size of the column, that is 3, and minus y. So y is first time 0, so 3 minus 0 is your 3, and minus 1 2, so it is written less than 2. As a result it will go 0 and 1. So why 0 and 1? Because if I don't write here 2, if I write here 2, then k plus 1 will make it to 3, where it will go out of bound. So I'll write 0 and 1. As a result, k plus 1 here will make it 2 automatically. So first time when it is 0, it will, this is k is 0, x0 k0, will test with x0 k 1 automatically in place of 0. 0 plus 1 1. So 0 is working, but it will work till 1 because of this. So we'll check when it is first time 0, when k is 0, it will see 0 0 and 0 1. So here we can see it will check whether your 0 0, you know this was 0 0 is greater than your 0 1 or not. If it is greater, suppose a tall fellow here is standing in a line and the very next is small, and the teacher told you, this is the face, this side, if the teacher told you to stand in ascending order of height, so you have to interchange here because the taller is greater one is in front of you. So same thing is happening here. If the first one 0 0, this is 0 0, is greater than 0 1, how this one came? K is first, we are taking k as 0, but due to k plus 1 you can see this is becoming 1 automatically. So if the first one is 0, then the second one we have to see what have done. If first one is greater than the second one, we transfer this first 0 0, that is ak, 0 0 is ak, k is 0, so that we transfer in temp. Suppose temp is a place like this, place where this 11 is transferred. So from here 11 will come here, and this f place will be empty. See the first condition right here, temp equals to a x k, so k is first and 0 here, not 1. Then this place is empty. Right from here you have to write this side, easier way. Axk, which is empty right now, will be filled by Axk plus 1. So 0 plus 1 is a, 0 plus 1 is 1. So this is 0 1's place position will enter in AK. So you can tell that 0 1 position is -2, will enter from here to this place. So -2 will come here, and now this place is empty. This is x k plus 1. Remember, this position is k plus 1 because k plus 1 is 1. So that position will be filled up by temp. If you see the program is filled up by temp. So temp may we have 11 will go and settle here. So like this it will happen. Next time when k is 1, second time as I told you, when it will be 1, this k plus 1 will automatically go to 2. So it will be 0 1 and 0 2. These two testing. If the first one is greater, again the same thing will happen. 11 will be cancelled out and come here, and 5 will go in front. This is going to happen. Okay. But if you make k 2, this will be k plus 1 will become 3, and you know there is no 0 3, and this is called out of bound. So same bubble shot technique we have used, and then interchange the thing. Let's try it out, and then display, normal display, same as the display of the original matrix. The way you have displayed, just copy and paste it, only change this from original matrix to new matrix. Okay, let's compile and check. Compiled. Here we have an option compiling, and then suppose this max short void main if I do, sorry, it's already running there telling. So let's check it out once again. So enter the row size, suppose 4 and 3. I will give the same inputs as for the question. So input of the first row is 11 -2 and 3, 11 -2 3. Then second we have 5 16 7, 5 16 7, and then 9 0 4, 9 0 0 4, and then finally 3 1 8, 3 1 8. So you can see the original matrix is as it is. We have entered 11 2 3, so 11 -2 3, 5 16 7, 5 16 7, same way the original. But whereas see the new matrix is changed now. 11 -2 3 is now -2 3 11, 5 16 7 is 5 7 16, 9 0 4 is 0 4 9, and 3 1 8 is 1 3 8. So it is in the ascending order. Now if they tell you descending order, just you have to change one thing. Suppose from here in the program for descending as bubble shot, you just have to change this sign. If you change this sign, now it is in descending order. Okay, let's try with some other values like descending order. If we keep max shot here, row size suppose 3 and 3, first row suppose 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. You see it will come in descending order. So 1 2 3 is now 3 2 1, 4 5 6 is 6 4 5, and 7 8 9 is 9 8 7. So very simple. And suppose they tell you to do ascending order of column, so just you have to do one replacement is you can like ascending order of column. Now same way this one, ascending order always this side, descending order always this side. Suppose ascending order of column, you have to change this k, you have to write here and x here. Just shift, k will be here, x will be here, k plus 1 will be here, x will be here, k here, x here. Just switch it and everything is same. Column ascending, column descending, again that way. Simple. So hopefully you understood. Thank you for watching.